It's a certified 2016 Cadillac CTS sedan. With inspirational beauty, intelligence, and purpose, this CTS makes a statement in every element of its design. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection remarks, the Cadillac CTS continues to compete with the best from Mercedes and BMW with a distinctly American approach, boasting some of the top tech features in its class. Cadillac, second to none. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.